In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove pages on Squarespace. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at your main Squarespace home dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your site. If you're not already there, log in and you'll land on a screen with options for your site settings, content, and design. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct site if you manage more than one. From the home dashboard, click on Website. This opens the area where you control your site's structure and content. It's the quickest path to everything that appears on your live site, including the pages you want to manage or remove. Next, select Pages. This brings up the full list of pages organized by sections like main navigation, footer, and sometimes not linked. Main navigation is what appears in your top menu, footer covers links at the bottom, and not linked are pages that don't appear in navigation but can still be accessed by direct URL. Knowing where your page lives helps you confirm you're working on the right one. Find the page you want to delete in that list. Hover your mouse over its name and look for a small bin or trash can icon to appear. Before you click it, double check the page title so you don't remove the wrong one. If the item is a folder or an index that contains other pages, remember that removing it can take the nested pages with it, so verify carefully. When you're certain, click the bin icon to start the removal. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental deletions. Read it closely, then click Confirm. After you confirm, the page will be removed from your site's structure and will no longer be visible to visitors or appear in your navigation. If you had links elsewhere that pointed to this page, they'll no longer work. So it's a good idea to refresh your site and quickly scan for any broken links or menu items that need updating. That's all there is to it. Open your Squarespace home dashboard, go to Website, open Pages, hover over the page to reveal the bin icon, and confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that deleting a page is typically permanent and can't be easily undone. If you only meant to tidy your navigation, make sure you're removing the correct page rather than hiding or reorganizing it. When you're finished, give your site a quick refresh in a separate browser tab to confirm everything looks the way you expect. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently remove pages on Squarespace.